Look at the juice. Let's check. I don't know if you can see. Costa Rica, baby. So actually, I'm about to leave No, I'm not leaving Costa Rica. I'm leaving Tamarindo. I've been here for about 5 days. Series of unfortunate events. Today, woke up at 8 to go take my shuttle to go Santa Teresa. And what happened was they supposedly came, they just left. Now I have to wait for the one at 3 o'clock. Right now it is 11:50 right now. Let's show you the sales for today. Let's check it out. Right now we're about 1.71K. Yesterday we hit 3.79. Yesterday was at a 65% profit margin. Yesterday we profited about 2.4K. This has been a pretty crazy week. Very high profit margin. Been testing out all kinds of new strategies. Yesterday I only spent $500 in ads for 3.7K. Kind of crazy. This month 123K. This month we're about 70K profit. Kind of unheard of, but been testing out new things, new strategies. But anyway, update you with my sales. All right, I just came to a nice, cute little restaurant. I don't know if you can see. Super excited to get out of this town, Tamarindo. Really want to surf. I've tried surfing out here and the waves are just like really small. Just yesterday it started to pick up, but supposedly Santa Teresa has really good waves, so I'm super excited. I'm trying to shortboard. Here it's just like all longboard waves, and regardless, it's a nice little town. I had the craziest sunset. You're gonna have to see it. Oh my god. That was on my Instagram story. If you're gonna follow me on Instagram, do so at Original Andy. Yeah, just gonna hang out for a bit. I'm thinking about and walking around the city and taking you guys with me because I haven't done that yet. Let's go do that right now. Gracias. All right, we got about 1 hour and 30 till we get on this bus. So let's walk for a bit. I want to hop on one of those so bad. But anyway, that's the coffee shop I've been going to. So this place right here gets crazy packed at night. This entire trip, I have not gone out to the bar once. I've been going to bed at 10, waking up at 7, grinding, just because I know that I'm going to Santa Teresa. I'm probably gonna partying a little bit more. This is more of like a quiet town, so that's kind of why I'm not really focusing on going. But here's the little food court that they have here. Food there is shitty. I had one thing, I think, at the cocktail place. I got tacos. Mainly eating at like more of the reviewed places because I'm not trying to get sick here. But no, it's like a cute little town. Check it out. Check it out and about with my Canadian accent. Try not to get run over here. So this has pretty much been the path I've been taking every day to get to the beach. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. Like, it's like what, head high? And I was telling you, but right off that rock, it breaks really nice. It's kind of weird to think I'll probably never come back to Tamarindo. This is the last time I'll ever be here. Almost forgot, I was passing by this gift shop. I need to get myself a Tamarindo souvenir, so probably like a magnet or a shot glass, but they tax here. They're getting away with robbery. And this, sorry to rant on, let me go and get this souvenir. $3 is a lot for me. Alright, I got my $3 souvenir, that little magnet, and now I'm contemplating whether or not I'm gonna eat. If I eat my first meal at 2, is that shuttle ride's gonna be 5 hours to Santa Teresa. I have no idea if they're gonna stop, probably not gonna risk it. Alright, I just got to the restaurant. Looks like it's Mexican. But we got about an hour here, and I'm just gonna chill. I'm not trying to miss this bus, so I'm gonna come early, go get my bags after I eat. Wait, it's like way a little bit down there, so that should be good on my way, on my journey to Santa Teresa. 5 hours. See how expensive it is. Hey, I'm actually thinking about doing a series on like living on some crazy number, like $30, $20 a day in Costa Rica, and see if I can actually do that. And given that I fast, well, I'm starting to fast, I think it'd be pretty manageable. It's like, I don't know where the hell I'm gonna stay. So you're gonna do a little bit of research and see like if I can actually do that. I think that'd be like a cool little series. Let's see if I can cut it down and challenge myself. I think it'd be pretty fun for me. But anyway, let's check out this menu that we got here. Oh, okay, here we go. Divided by 650. I mean, it's not crazy expensive. At the same time, I don't think it should be $10, $15 a plate. Hey, we are in a very touristy area. Everyone here seems like they're Americans. It was cool, but at the same time, like I want to go somewhere and I want to experience a foreign environment, and it's a little bit hard when all I hear is English, and I try and talk to people in Spanish and they straight up just talk to me in English. So, all right, I got an American Angus burger with avocado. Okay, let's see how much that was. This is $10, which, yeah, okay, that's not bad. I was in Thailand and you can get a burger like that for $5. You can get a pad thai for $1.50. So it's kind of a little bit unfortunate, but we shall wait for our food. But what I wanted to introduce to you guys is my close stories. Stacking value and value and value on this close story of just like e-commerce tips, branding tips, what exactly I'm doing with my brand right now to achieve the results that I just showed you guys. VIP credits, TikTok ads, so it's gonna be all accessible right there. Just gonna be updating it. Just today I just updated a new close story on how to run a sustainable brand and really use dropshipping as a platform to build a brand so you're able to attain longevity, long-term consistency, consistent profits, high profit margins. So what I'm gonna do, anyone that's watching this video, I'm gonna be giving away 5 spots. All you have to do is DM me on Instagram, close in all caps. And I'm gonna pick 5 random people. I'm gonna give away lifetime access to my close story. I'm just excited to keep growing. Endless possibilities of business, guys. It's just about being in that right environment. Right now, I'm isolating myself. I'm in the right headspace. And I'm getting a lot of work done. I'm going to sleep at 10, waking up at 7, and working at the coffee shop. Afterwards, going and surfing, eating, having a good time going out for a bit, but not going out and getting drunk every single night. Let's just wait till my food comes. Food has arrived. 45 minutes till I get picked up. About to demolish this. I haven't had a burger in so long. Look at the juice. It's dripping. I'm gonna go get my stuff. I just finished eating and it was 7,000, so I think it's like $11. It's actually really fucking cheap. Best $10 I've spent in a while. Good ass burger, but now I'm just anxious. I don't want to miss this bus or this shuttle, because if I miss this shuttle, I'm actually fucked. 25 minutes until they come. We should be on our way. Finally, 5 hours. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys when we get on the bus. Yo, Santa Teresa. It's about damn time. Hi. Jeez. I missed my first one. Five hours. Let's go get some waves. Traffic everywhere. I fell asleep. Now I'm up. Llegando donde subo. Babies, so we made it to Santa Teresa finally. 9:30, finally made it. I have to show you guys because it's been pretty crazy since, but let's check out these sales to refresh real quick. I don't know if you can see that, but 4.88K for the day. You're doing better than yesterday. 30 live visitors. Let's show you guys the profit dashboard. And it's not even the end of the day. Right now it's 7 p.m. in the States, 9:40 p.m. in Costa Rica, so we still got a lot of time to finish this day. Easy 5K day. I'm super excited, but let's check out these profit margins. As you can probably see, the dashboard right here, the exact margins. So today, that was yesterday, but today, 3.328K, $4,900 in revenue, $484 in ad spend. Forgot, I might as well show you guys how we're doing for this whole month. So this whole month, the entirety of this month, we're looking at $126,000 in revenue, 24,000 cost of goods, $24,000 in ad spend, and $74,000 in profit. Alright, so I got myself a little pesto pasta. US price is 15 bucks. Here we go. It's good though. Alright, killed my food. I was so hungry. I'm so hungry. Looks like it's gonna be another $3,000 profit day. So pretty successful day, low ad spend. These are the exact strategies that I teach you guys if you're a one-on-one student. So if you guys want to be a one-on-one student, comment below, go fill out the application or DM me living on Instagram. And yeah, I mean, pretty much gonna end the day today. It's 10 o'clock right now, 9:57, and I'm pretty beat. Been traveling all day, probably gonna wake up early tomorrow around 7, go surf, and maybe tomorrow I might recap a little bit, or I might just end it here. If I don't, then I'm gonna end it here. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to run a business, travel at the same time. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.